Angela.
Yes, sister.
Please get me a glass of water.
Okay, sister. Look at the water here.
Okay, thank you, my dear.
Sister, I want to discuss something with you.
What's that, dear?
Hey, sister.
Yes, dear.
When the brother goes to be back?
Very soon.
Okay, sister.
Is there any problem?
Because he wants to send me something that I will take to the village, and I want to carry it to the village.
I will get it for you immediately. You just did a transfer for me.
Okay, because I want to take it to the village.
I know.
Okay, sister.
I hope you're okay now.
I'm okay, sister.
Naughty girl. You like things a lot. Alright now, no problem. Are you taking your lunch?
Yes, sister.
Alright.
Thank you, sister.
Alright, darling. Angela, what is still keeping you inside? These things are still here. You didn't pick it up last night. Take them inside. Be fast. We are late for the village.
Okay.
Be fast. Be fast. Hope you lock the kitchen door back.
Yes, sir.
Please. Lock the door. Lock the door. Put the table aside. What about the smallest box?
I'll take it outside the gate.
Are you sure?
Yes, sister.
Please, let's leave.
Those two beautiful ladies.
Amaka, I saw them. Those girls are beautiful.
Beautiful is an understatement. They are looking very gorgeous. Look, in fact, Ini, immediately after this festival, I am going to leave this village. I don't know what is going to happen, but I must leave this village.
You? Your own is to go to the city. That's your own. Well, me, I'm even looking for a man to hook up to. A man that will at least marry me.
Please. For how long will you keep on waiting in this village? For how long? No, I said, are you not tired? I mean, for how long will you keep on waiting for a man that will come and marry you? Look, I don't care even if it's to go and make friends with them. I don't care. As far as I'm going to leave this village, that is just my person.
I know you now. You like flashes. You see this in your eyes.
When you're awake, my mother sent you a message. Let me go and
dear, let's go now. Let's just go awake.
Hello, fine girls.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello, yes. Can we help you?
Okay, please, are you people from this village?
Yeah, we are from this village, but we are not born and brought up here. We are born and brought up in the city.
Wow, my city.
And this is my sister Angela.
Oh, Angela.
I'm Linda.
My name is Chima. I am from this village. Please, please, I would like you to give me your number.
Which was? Angela. Why do you want my number? I don't give people my number.
Nothing much. It's just your number. I have no bad intention. I just want to come around and be taking people around to watch masquerade.
Who cares?
Yeah. Please, don't be offended. Just your number.
I don't give up my number. Sorry. Sister, can we go now?
No. Please don't go. Please don't go. Just give me the number, please.
Okay, sister. It's your choice, darling. No problem.
Okay, thank you.
090.
Okay, 090.
77. 83. 71. Please don't disturb my night much. Can we leave now?
Yeah, you can. Okay.
Such a local boy. Sister, I don't like him already. I don't like him.
Hey.
My wife, why not you prepare fresh fish pepper soup so that I will use it and eat again this afternoon? This afternoon. The man. So you hear him more than the more than we are doing it on our church. Hey, go. Children, where are you people going? Go.
Papa.
What is the matter? What is your problem? Any problem? Is there anything the matter?
No. Only Cheta here that.
Cheta, what does that mean?
Today,
what is that?
Today is the day.
The day of what?
That abu obosumi torobi oboda. Na bangba na Cheta was in a village square.
Oh, that's nice. Toma. Tomu.
Oh, Zaburago.
Oh, boy, was Zaburago. You see, I remember when I was in my youthful age. You see, I was a very young, strong man. None of my age grade can bring my back down to the earth. I stink like a bee. In a second, go. Die. Very strong man.
Let me tell you this.
Yes.
Do you know that I proposed to you?
Any problem? Anything?
Do you know why I agreed you to marry me?
What is that?
Because you are very strong at that time.
Yes, even now I'm very strong. Very strong.
We are not strong anything.
See, I'm a mother, I'm a very strong.
No, it's not. You are not strong at that time again.
Okay, no problem. You say that you people, what happened to you people?
Papa, you don't know what's up. Mama, your husband here don't know what's up. As I'm talking to you here, Papa, my spirit is already at the village square. But my soul is here in this house. As if that one is not enough, Papa. When I was coming back from the market earlier this morning, I saw these beautiful ladies. Very beautiful. Very beautiful, Papa. Ladies.
From where?
City. And I'm sure it's because of this festival. So, Papa, I can't wait to. I can't miss this festival. Papa, I'm going. I'm going.
Today's the day.
Make sure that you come back with the mass money that will marry you. I need at least. I will drink. That reminds me, my wife. Are you saying that I am not strong any longer? That I cannot perform?
Yes.
Do you want to try? Do you want to try?
Yes.
Okay, try. Okay, one.
Uchenna! Onyinye! Where is this children? Uchenna and Onyinye! Where is this children? Does it mean they don't know that today is the annual festival? They're not
not going on.
I don't understand. Is it that this girl gave me the wrong number? Is this person said guy, I'm getting a new chick. I met a new chick today. I don't understand. Yes, this is the number now. Yes, I remember that vividly that she gave me this number correctly. And it's not connecting.
Which girl is this?
I saw some group of girls on their way into town. So I collected their numbers, because of this festival. And I need to update my checklist.
What of Chidema?
About Chidema. Chidema is history as far as I'm concerned. Well, you know that when she disgraced me, you were there. Huh? Listen, I don't have a time. Mother, I change your no. I'm going to talk so
no, so she's supposed to come here.
In fact, I don't even have a time now. What I need somebody new, After seeing all those girls, I can't see those fun girls. I need to change soup. I want to and I was even trying to collect 2 numbers so that you take one, I will take one.
No. It's fine.
So you need to tell me that you
everywhere just tired. I don't even understand. The village is just crowded and things are not just going fine.
I love the crowdness. And so far there are beautiful young ladies.
Loving you.
Oh, my hair.
Oh, man, I've been looking for you.
Yeah, I've been looking for you too.
I see that.
Yes. Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, Chima.
How are you?
Good evening, Chima.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, food is ready. That's why I've been looking for you.
Okay, so this is okay, so we can go now.
Chima, come with us.
No. I know that I'm waiting for Chidema. That's usual. I don't need Oh, yeah, I understand. I know.
This festival, they are all the fine men and the rich men that come back from the city. You see, someone is going to marry and take the city. Yeah, shut up.
Who do you know about marriage? See who is talking about marriage. Let me warn you for the last time. Let today be the first and last you talk about marriage in this house. If not, you see what I will do to you.
If more than my sister, in fact, you are jealous of me.
My sister, jealous of you. Since when? My dear, enter inside and ask me. I don't have time for it for now.
Jealousy.
You don't bet, I don't bet.
Chinekele. What about this? What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? This is a nightmare. Something terrible is going to happen in this our village. Hey! What is happening? Something great is going to happen. My wife. What is the meaning of this? It's just a dream.
Dream?
A dream.
What's that?
It's just a dream. I had a dream.
This cannot be.
You see, you have to go and prepare so that we can go together to that area. You see, we can go.
No, I'm worried.
You shouldn't be worried. You shouldn't be worried. It's just a dream. It's a dream.
Okay.
Go and prepare. Yes. Yes, go and prepare. Hey, something wrong is going to happen to this village. This is not a narrative. Hey. Anyway.
These days I don't even know why. I don't know why I use myself too much. What do I eat? I use too much. Very soon, the wrestling, the festival will soon commence. Is it competition or festival? Will soon commence, and I will be the one to win. I know I will win. Even if it's wrestling or festival competition, I will win. Let me go and prepare myself for the competition. I know what I will do. Wait, did I pack my piece? Okay, sorry, it's still there. Let me go and prepare for the competition.
Yeah. You and I know that today is the big day. As we do it annually, this year our festival is going to be the bomb. Because if you look, you see a lot of our brothers and sisters that return from abroad. I know when they return, they will come with their own style of dance. We don't waste much of our time. We want Hamekania to come and open this dance for us. Yeah.
Oh, make I go. As you can see, you know what I've been doing for you guys, you have to entertain. So let's join me.
Yes, so.
As you can see, the event is going gradually, but without wasting much of our time, I think we have to bring the dancers to come and open the floor for us. Come on, go. I think we have to invite our sister. Come on. We have a lot of dancers in the floors. I think we have to invite our sisters from abroad to come and showcase us what they have. now on the wrestling section, we have to invite the last year defending champion. Come. Let's invite the second contestant. Come on the ball, Uchenna, come on the floor, come on the floor. Clap for you. That was so much of time. There's no time. If you know you want to fight this competition, come. As you can see, we still have our standing champion. After tonight's second fight, we know who will be the grand winner of this thing. And this time around, we're going to invite our brother, Opina, that returned from Panya. Yes, we all know that he went to Panya and he has conquered a lot of war. Ladies and gentlemen, this is so, ladies and gentlemen, the time has come. You know, as a challenger, you have to beat this to tell me you're ready. How dare you challenge me? I fought many war. Yes. I trained Anthony Joshua. Hey! I'm giving you my garment to wrestle with.
Have you traveled to Panya and changed your name?
Boss, to prove you all that I'm not a coward. But before then, let's meet. Yes!
How you guys doing?
There is a problem in the village.
What happened?
And the youth went out yesterday. My son is missing.
Yes, son.
I did not see my son.
Yes.
Mother, you know that I'm a widow.
Yes, son.
You know I am a widow. Help me. Help me, oh God. You know I'm a widower. Help me, Marcy. Oh. Hey, my only son.
Ntonia. Please stand up.
Marcy, help. Oh.
Ntonia, I will look into it.
Just help me. Help me, Marcy.
Stand up.
Help me!
Stand
You
up.
are my only way. I don't have anywhere to
know.
go. Help me!
Stand up. Oh, can you come on here? Give her here, man. What we do about this?
This plantain, I don't know your problem. I don't know your problem. With enough money, you don't want to produce plantain for me. I'm going to cut you off. I'm not sure they cut you off. You are just here wasting the grass for nothing. I will cut you off. This one produce a plantain. It means that we have to put something to hold you so that you will not fall on rap. Yes. What of all these ones? Hey. Hello. Hello, look at. This one you're running like a madman. I hope all is well.
No, because of what happened last night.
What happened?
I thought everybody could have been dead by now. I just came come to check on you.
You see, what you said, I witnessed it live.
No, it's not a joke.
Everything is live. You see, I have my nightmare. I was disturbed. I decided to go and see what our children is doing over there. Do you know what I saw? Before I could reach there, everybody was running, scatter. And you stood there, no? Stood there for what? I don't know what else. My leg. What I saw is that I see myself inside my compound. Yeah, it's a strange thing to me. Even now, I don't know what to do. You see, I don't know. Something has never happened in this our community since ever I was born. I don't know. If that is the time that Igbo was alive. That one is another thing. So what you have to do now is for you to do whatever you are going to do. Prepare yourself. Let us go and see Otajiribo.
Very much then. I will take my leave.
Run like a mad dog.
I will take my leave.
Run like a mad dog.
Come here.
Look at, run now. Run. Hey.
So you are packing. Are we leaving for the city?
Yes, we are leaving the village before the night fall because I don't want us to experience what happened last night.
So why now?
Because I don't want us to experience what happened last night again.
Oh, no. At least yesterday was fun. It's just the evil bird that came and scattered everywhere.
I'm sure you're very lucky that you're breathing right now. I'm sure you will not like to attend such event again in this village. Because you will surely disturbing me. Sister, let's go to the village. I want to feed my eyes with this. I want to feed with my nose with this. I want to do this. Now you're feeding your legs with. Come on, get inside and pack up your things. Let's leave this place.
Amara.
Ijoma.
Where are you going to? I was coming to your house.
I thought that evil bird took you away. Because when it disappeared that night, I was surprised.
Chineke Kpogoku, are you okay? Okay? It is you that the evil bird is going to carry you.
God forbid.
So you can say God forbid, Abi?
Stop it, Joe.
Ijoma Biko, the best thing now is that just thank God that I'm alive.
Oh, Amara, come to think of it. Are you sure that evil bed is not Arusi?
Bacon, I use God and beg you. Did you hear me? Just zip your mouth. Biko? It is only you that used to use this your ear to hear everything. What's your problem?
Yeah, I'm just telling you.
Don't tell me. Don't tell me, Biko. Don't tell me.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to my friend place.
Yeah, let me escort.
Wow. Obai? With everything, I think you have to shake Afam. Well, Afam, because it's not easy. Afam? The Afam that I used to know. He has been defending champion from day one. Not until you return from Paya. I was amazing. I was amazed. When you nearly took him up, you shook him. I was like, you want to disgrace in front of his girlfriend?
You know what is the point? See, I want to tell you something.
Yes.
If not for that God-forsaken evil bed, our farm cannot withstand me.
Are you serious?
Only down my white garments. We defeat our farm now. Look at it.
So, yes, because back then, dear in Paya, I wrestled with many people. I trained Anthony Joshua and many others.
Anthony Joshua?
See, listen, let me tell you. Do you know dual fight? One hand,
easy. Well,
I nearly lift you up, if not because of that bed appear and everybody start. But me, I did not run.
So you know, now first run. Let me and if I leave me run.
When I saw you run away and you return to come and carry your girlfriend.
When can I leave my babe there? Chima, wait. Say something.
Okay.
The take of this evil bed that appeared. Don't you think something's behind it? Why suddenly did the bed appear? When the wrestling competition was ongoing.
When I was about to win.
I said that. My issue is not even the bed. It was those two girls that returned from city. I was close to that girl. Young woman.
Obiora! Where is this boy gone to? Sorry, this man. He's a man, he's a boy. It's the same thing, whether it's man or boy. Okay, this is the way. Obiora! All these people that comes from Panya, they don't used to hear word in the afternoon. It's not his fault. Obiora! Where is all these Panya people that used to smoke weed in the afternoon? That is why they will not be hearing people. Obiora!
All making noise.
Obiora! See. I told the whole community that you will soon come back. That you will soon go to Panya and make it.
Exactly.
They refused, they did not hear me.
Seriously?
Obiora, you have made it.
My man.
See, I told them that if you are coming back, you will park your car outside. So, but as I was coming, I did not see the car. Did you park it at the city before coming?
No, the kind of car I ride, this village cannot contain it.
Oh.
So I have to park it in one of the GRA.
I said it.
I'm here.
I told them. But even if you don't have car, you have bike.
It's not. I don't deal with bike, motorcycle. I deal with cars and airplane. So.
I said it. But Obiora, you know I'm your person.
You're my friend, more than friend.
If you know where I trekked from to come and see you.
Serious?
You should give me what you came back from Panya.
You should have said that earlier.
That's right. I want to go to Mama Nkechi back to take something, so you can give me something. Let me go and take something.
Wait for me a minute.
Okay.
Can go see Cassie.
Make it heavy, something very heavy. I said it. My friend will make it. Very soon I will be the one to make it. I will go to the city. Sorry. He went to Panya and make it. I will go to Samisa Forest and I will make it. Obiora, I'm still waiting for you.
My friend.
Obiora.
What can you be here?
Obiora. What brand is this?
This is the drink we drink in Paya.
Oh, this is the drink you drink in Paya?
Yes.
This long thing.
Exactly.
Like looks like straw. You will be trying it.
Listen. This is not a straw.
It's not straw.
This one, you don't take it. It's not like all these common local ones we drink in this village.
So
this one is white men. We take it short.
So this is white man drink.
Yes, white. Can't you see?
And it's better than the one we drink in Mama Kochi.
Exactly. That one is poison. This is the real.
So this one is strong.
Oh, seriously.
Obiora, you have killed me. You have killed me.
I would like you. Sorry, my friend. My man. You know what? No, don't worry. I'm taking you to.
Obiora, I said it.
Just take this. Go and drink and relax. Enjoy your diet. For your good days are now here.
I said it.
You see this upcoming event that I came back because of? Relax. Where this is from? More coming. I'm
coming back tomorrow.
That day,
I'm coming back tomorrow to take another bottle.
No problem.
I will finish this one today.
I'll be waiting, no problem.
You know, can I test it?
No, just take it. It's all yours.
I can test it.
No, don't worry. You can just take it to your house. When you get there, just drink it.
I know. Mazi Anoyo will beg me to give him small, but I will not give it.
Okay.
Let me.
Easy.
Alright. It's not as if I want to fall.
No, how can you fall? Okay. Big boy like you cannot fall now.
I'll come back tomorrow for another bottle.
No problem. Hello. Yes.
Ike. Let's just say you call Ikenda.
Is it your?
When did that start? Ikenda. Have you forgotten I'm your love? How you do call me my love?
Love. After the whole toast, you go toasting that my friend Onichi. Who's your love? See, leave that. I saw the way you ran last night. I never believe a whole you could.
Please. Amara, stop it. If it's a joke, please keep it to yourself.
Sorry.
I don't like it. I that was standing there, searching for you. I don't know where you put your head. I thought the evil bear are taking you away. What is it?
Biko, I used God and beg you. If it is joke, just stop. What is it now? That was the same thing. The other day I was going to a friend's house and Onichi said the same thing. What is it? I don't like it though. Or is it because of my stature or words? If it is joke, just stop it, please. I don't like it.
You know that because I love you.
You love who? You love who? I don't like it though. I don't like it. What is it? If it's play, just stop.
You don't know that it's because you're small.
What's your problem? I beg, back away.
It's me.
Is he also?
Just give me a chance. Because
I'm not make sure. Please, I beg. Just back away, maybe that trailer pass.
Please just give me a little chance. Just take a look at me. Look at me. Big guy like me. See my clothes.
Fine boy. Just take a look at yourself. Fine boy. I beg, I come for road, I beg.
You say she even fine. Why I can't kill myself? Ugly chick. No nyash, no boss. But I must get you. Nkiru ebuemo.
Tima, the body. Please, I'm coming. 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
I'm coming. This one, you something like this. What the worry this boy?
Chima, big boy in this community. Chima, you will soon die. The way I'm looking at you, you will soon die.
Who is this man?
With your friends. You with your friend, you are forming fine boys.
Who is this person?
I don't know.
And sleeping with all the girls in this community. You should better go to the city and look for what to do. You are here forming fine boy.
Yes. Oh no. You and I know that. Like, he's very crazy, stupid.
Chima, looking at you, you have been expected with disease.
Affected? That disease. I can't be affected.
Chima, you will soon die. Okay, shut up. All of you will soon die.
Let's sacrifice him. Let him come. Let us sacrifice him. Just allow him to come.
See.
Do you know what's happening in the village now? Eh? Do you know the problem in the village?
Wait, before we talk about what is happening in the village, I was at the village square yesterday. But it seems I left. No, I slept off.
Why won't you sleep off? When you have this bottle that
Shut up!
Obina from Pana gave you.
Kiba, shut up.
I should shut up.
Have your father drank this kind of drink before?
Oh, you're insulting my father. In fact, you're there. You're finished.
I'm finished.
Yes, you're finished.
I'm finished or you're finished.
Do you know what happened in the village? And you're here drinking.
Wait. Let's go on to what is happening in the village. What is happening in the village?
Evil Bear destroyed the wrestling competition. And you are here drinking. You are finished too.
Who is finished? Now, what do you want to gain from the wrestling competition? What do you want to gain?
You're supposed to win.
I was supposed to win.
Yes. Hey! Abomination.
What?
You want to win the wrestling competition so that you will sleep with all the girls in this community.
Wait, get him, let's sacrifice him. Wait, get him, let's sacrifice him.
Let's sacrifice him. Don't carry me up. Let's sacrifice him. Oh, you are carrying an elderly man like me down. Don't carry me up. Don't carry me. Wait.
Now this way will kill you.
Why are you touching my pocket?
We'll give him a sacrifice.
Is it your if anything lost, you will die. If anything lost,
you don't even have money. You don't even have money. Idiots.
Before you go, let me tell the three of you something. I will soon become the next Igbo of this community.
Yeah, you are dreaming.
Alright, man.
You are dreaming. It's a lie. It can't be Igwe.
See. And now let me tell you what I will do to the three of you. I will banish you. No, I will kill you.
It's not to become Igwe in this community. I would, in fact, I won't belong to this community again. I will just.
Let's go. Leave this one. Come and help me. Come and help me. Carry me up a little. I will become the Igwe, and I know what I will do to the three of you.
Become the Igwe. In fact, I will not be a member of this community again.
In fact, let me stand up. Oh! Wait, somebody should help me. Wait. Am I the one shaking or this ground is shaking? Okay. I will become the Igwe. I know what I will do to the three of you when I become the Igwe of this community. I will banish you. No, I will kill you. Should I go this side? This side. No, let me go this. Oh, they went this way. Let me go here. When I become the Igwe, I know what I will do. I will banish the three of you. Ono will soon die, and the other elders, I will appoint my own elders. Rubbish.
Since morning my brother left this house, he's not yet back. Ever since he came back from city, he has been pressing around the village. My touch, let me enjoy. All this place is box furniture. Let me first night. I'll come back. Now what is it? This is why your face is like this. What happened?
Sister, I'm not happy.
Sit down first, yeah?
I'm not happy. I don't want to sit.
Then tell me what happened.
Sister, can you imagine Ebuka stopped me on the way and was insulting me that I went to Paya to get myself useless and came back with nothing? Sister, can you imagine? Ebuka of yesterday.
Which Ebuka are you talking about?
The one, you know, the rascal, you know. Man's even the main son, my only son.
But wait. Tell me the truth. You know I'm your sister. Do you troubles them?
You know I'm not a troublesome person. I did not.
No problem, man. It's okay. It's okay. Go inside and prepare food for you. Go and eat your food. Yes, Go and eat your food and be happy. Don't worry. You don't bother. Eat. Ebuka.
Mama, you have not eaten your food in the kitchen.
Son to my son.
Ma.
Don't worry, I will eat later. Oh?
Okay, Mama. Mama, I want to go and fetch water. And also, I will wash some clothes when I'm back. Please, try to take the herbs that Mama Uju gave you in the morning.
I will, my son.
Okay, ma. I will be back.
Please, we'll come back.
I will, Mama.
Oh, son to my husband. Wherever you are, I know you are proud of your son. Please, protect him for me.
Mazindoka, you are welcome.
Thank you. I'm very sorry the cooler is not around here, but I set my wife to buy some.
Yes. Oh no. You can really.
Don't be annoyed. Do you realize it has been 1 month now? That evil bird struck this community.
Okay. And Otika has kept us in the dark. Do you realize people are leaving this village? Because it is no longer safe.
Hold your peace, Mr. Ndoka. Otika has never failed us. Do you understand me? You know, he is our eyes and our mouthpiece. Why not we give him some time? He is going to find the solution. I must surely tell you the truth.
If you say so, I will take my leave. It's better.
Better, no problem, no problem.
Oh, my God,
no problem, no problem.
Oh,
Ndoka, you just have small children here, or a fearful man.
Ebuka, since you have the court to insult my brother, what shall I say? It's time for you to die.
I've always told you to wear your clothes.
You look at the sun now. Whether it's hot, Joe.
There's something I want to tell you.
Okay. What's that?
I want you to leave this village and go to the city and establish yourself.
This conversation. You're always saying this thing as if I'm enjoying my stay here or I don't want to go to the city. It's not done that way now. It's money they'll use and go to the city. You won't just go in like that.
Oh, Beam. I have some money that I saved. Seriously? And I'll give it to you to go to the city.
You did that for me?
Yes.
Good afternoon, Pastor.
Good afternoon, my dear. Oh, Sister Linda.
Pastor.
I wasn't expecting to see you. I thought you traveled.
Yes, I did, Pastor. But actually something came up. That's why we returned back to the city. But I'm here to say thank you for everything and the prayer and the love you shown my family. Thank you very much, Pastor.
Sister Linda.
Pastor.
You know, it's not my power. I'm not the one that answered the prayer. It's only God. And I don't deserve to receive thanks. It's only God that you thank. I only pray as a servant of God. And He answered.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I don't know how to thank you for everything. But may the Lord bless you for us too.
Amen.
I'll run up to the shop right now.
Oh, to the shop. Yes. Okay, let's run along.
Alright, Pastor. Thank you.
Who is there? Show yourself! Who sent you and what is your mission?
I'm here to finish you.
Waste me?
Let's see.
I must get to the root of this. I must get to the root. I must get to the root.
Okay. I'm lucky today. But next time, I won't be this lucky.
Please make sure you prepare food before your father comes back. Eh? Okay. You hear me? Would you? Assist your sister in the kitchen. You hear me? I don't want to hear that when I come back, you'll be praying up and down. You hear me? Eh?
Ma, I want to follow you.
Come and suck breast. Come, let me back you. Make sure you assist your sister. Follow girl. Make sure you people finish housework if I come back. Okay. From there, I will go to market. I'll buy something. Yes, ma'am. Give me money now. Buy girl. Ekene dịrị Chineke mana ọ na-abụ fugota ewu na atọ maka nchetachi ihe gabige mgbe na-arị agha chekwensu wee chọ ka ọ nafụrụ m gị Igbo fire amalekwele ya aja ọ bara ofu mkpụrụ nwanne m sikwa ma nkwe What is that? What is that? Chinelo!
Hey, Onye, I just remember something now. The other day, I told you something. I told you something is wrong with Mazin Joko's wife.
Ngwa, Kuo, what is it?
The other day, Chinelo was in the kitchen. Suddenly, she fell down and fainted. Up till now, she cannot talk, eat, drink, not even recognize anybody. All she does is mope around, looking like zombie.
Phone without no SIM card.
I hear you.
Ha! See my armpit, oh. Please, there's nothing there. Please, don't put me into trouble, oh. The ghosts are watching. Please. I'm going, oh. Are you coming or not?
Please wait for me, Joe.
Nduka. Hey.
Where
are you rushing to?
I'm rushing to Onowu's place.
Onowu's house?
Yes.
Oh, good. I don't know whether because my purpose of going there is for them, we have suffered enough.
The same purpose for what is happening to our community, our land.
Good.
How can we sleep?
We cannot fold our hands. That's the issue. We cannot fold our hands. Let's start going there and thrash it out. Let's comfort him.
That's the ghost I met.
Yes.
Okay.
Sister, I want to ask you a question. This question has been bothering me for a very long time. Sister, are you a witch?
Me? Witch? What makes you to ask me this question?
Sister, ever since I talk of my life, all my friends have been avoiding me. If not from this person to this person. My sister is a witch. That she's the cause of all the problem in this village.
Leave them. It's all gossip. It's all rumors. Your sister, I'm not a witch. Let me ask you. Do you have any other brother apart from you? Even before our parents died, did they show us any other children apart from us? My dear, you have to believe me. I'm not a witch. It's not about all these village rumors now. If I'm a witch, I'm not allowed you to make it in the city. Do you know what the problem is here? Because they have seen some little changes in our family. I have started wearing better clothes, you know. Things have changed. They have started rumors. Okay, let me ask you. That time, when we are not nobody, the only boy accused me of being a witch. That time I used to carry a pow and sell in the market. The only boy accused me of being a witch. But now,
Badi, let's assume it's a rumor.
It's a rumor, please. What about the cloth now? It's not really stop.
sister.
Relax. Hear this, I got you the most expensive jeans.
Give me carrots.
Now, I don't want you to try how this lady will do. It's coming to a classic sister. Wait, what a trouser for me. You will see it. I want you for that. Let's go, let's go.
Ichienayo, you are welcome. Ichienduka, you are welcome.
Well, thank you.
Ngasina, here we go, Oji.
So what?
The watch also kaita no je.
Mazen Joko. Mazen Joko ka ha ga-esi okwu. Ihe anyị kwuru bịa karịrị Oji.
Oh no. Ichienayo, our visit to your house is for a purpose which is even greater than Kula.
Yes.
We are here to tell you our minds. You know one thing? I said now, yeah. You see? Elders cannot be in the house while a tethered she-goat delivers. You understand? Our coming here is to let you know what we have in minds. To tell you our minds. No, you know. To tell you our minds. Because we cannot fold our hands like this. And things continue to go this way. If I may, baby. That's why we are here. Eh? Since Dikeh cannot provide the solution to our problem, can we fold our hands and be watching things go this way? No.
Yes. Oh no, I'm in for it.
We need to look for the black sheep while there is time, where there is day, where before, if it is night, you cannot see it. Yes. Oh man, it's not here. Oh no, that's why we are here.
No. I'm in for it. Let's go to Mumbala village and look for Wadibia. That will provide the solution to this problem. Yes! Otita is playing with us. We can't be waiting.
Yes, thank you.
He's keeping us in the dark. Remember, I came here last time and told you that it has taken 1 month. Oh no, walk on the kind of book.
Ichenduka, how dare both of you come and sit down here with me and started talking nonsense against the gods of our land?
Nonsense.
Yeah? Please. Both of you should leave my house now before I do something strange. Oh no. Oh no. If you want us to go, yes, go, leave my house. This one is not a good road. Come on, talk nonsense. I get to go nonsense. Oh no, yes. I beg, leave my house. Oh no, look at. Look at the chair now, which I thought that this man is reasonable. You just follow this empty barrel and started. Wait.
This is too bad.
Let me ask you.
This is too bad.
What? But what you saw over there, are you in doubt that we cannot fold our hands and be watching our community go this way? Because I'm beginning to discover that Njoko and Otika, they are one. They are sold out.
Are you insinuating that both of them have hands in what is happening to our community?
Which you saw by yourself. You don't have eyes to see. You need a prophet or soothsayer to tell you this. Do you need that?
Action.
Okay,
I'm suspecting his action.
An elder cannot stay in the house while the third she-goat delivers. That's what I'm talking about. What are we going to do?
Maziana, I am saying that from what is happening and what you just said, we better go to Mbala village and see that Dibia man and find the solution and know who is right and who is wrong.
Now you are talking.
If we love our community, we will not wait for these people. They have been sold out. And it is the elders cannot say why she God delivers in daytime. I even know Kiyama no, they want
I don't know one you. I don't know one you. Leave that girl for me. Which girl? Leave that girl for me. Try that girl for me. Leave that girl for me. Hey, my girl.
Hey, what is it? What is it? Hey. Wait, now what is it? What is it? Yeah.
If you try it again.
Guy, relax now. What is it? What is the problem?
This guy want to take my babe. Who's your
guy? Relax now, relax. Listen to me. What is this? What is the problem?
Chisom. My girl. Who be your girl? This guy want to take my girl from me. You want to take my girl from me?
Which Chisom?
One emo.
Which Chisom are you talking about?
My girl now.
Which Chisom?
Chisom my girl. Chisom my girl.
Which of your girl?
Hey, I just did laugh.
So that I saw is the way Chima was taking out to beer parlor. Let's go here. Beer parlor now.
So you know, you and I know the same Chisom. The one we get big press now. We get big yansh. Now, man.
You mean Chisom take?
Man, I know they kill on ourselves. And that person don't take her.
Chisom my girl.
See this one. One jacket up. You want to do wrestling. You feel can't do and the other day. See, guy, you better comfort yourself. That girl, and that person don't carry him. See now.
What will I do today? My daughter, God, give my daughter for me. God, give my daughter for me. God, yeah, my God. Chinelo mama, because Chine cannot tell me Chinelo mama. The little that I have, oh God, please save them for me. Save my Chinelo for me. God, save my Chinelo for me. Chineke, you could do. My daughter for me, oh God. My daughter for me, oh. My daughter for me, oh. I have everything that I saw for me, oh.
Ada.
No, thank
God. Why are you crying?
Adak,
this why you are crying is your grandmother died again?
No, my grandmother did not die. No, thank God you are here.
What happened?
It's our daughter Chinelo.
What happened to her?
I went to see my sister and Antonia. Immediately, Junga Loshina told me that Chinelo fainted. I'm giving her Bobonise, giving her Pamkane, but not enough.
So you can leave this house without even telling me? Eh?
No.
Now you are crying, nine. Okay, no problem. I will go and see Otika. Do you understand me? Stop crying. Stop crying. Everything is going to be okay. Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. You just leave the house. Nine. Go inside. The wise one. The eyes of our people. I just came back from the meeting. I saw my wife. She was crying bitterly. When I asked her what is the problem, he said that my daughter Chinelo is sick, that she's inside the house. I said no need of wasting time. I decided to come and see you, Tika. Being the eyes of our people, and you are a good friend of mine. So that is why I'm here. I know coming here, everything will be okay.
Hello. No. Who said that? If I'm a local, get me up. If I'm a local, get me up. So. Otako velugani kenanu keke fionu bekene. Na kwa kije wuki jazonu. Kiri kande kiri lo renji ozu machano. Otake kete. Kiri kande kiri ozu.
Take this. Take this. Take. I should take this. No, take. Take this. Tie it on her left leg. I should use that. I should tie this on her left legs. Huh? Take. I take this. Take. I take. Tie it on her left hand. Oh no! Hide it. Let no other eyes see it. Take it. No, Otika. What of my wife and my children? Afam, like I was telling you, if you see that girl that I saw yesterday, oh no, that girl is something else. Her waist was nothing. Oh, guy, you need to see this girl. And you know, I promised a lot of things. Nanga mela that girl, if lighter. Every time, woman. Now, only woman I talk for you. Now look at this person. Look at that fam. If I not talk about woman, who I talk about?
So, I'm on board. Come here. Okay. So, like I was saying, I'm ready to sell that to my father's house. And because of the girl, of course, I will sell my father's farmland.
Idiot.
Oh, you are here, smoking your life away. Does it mean that you did not notice my person? Common greeting you did not offer me. Good morning. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. You are smoking. Look at their heads. Why will we not smoke? When there is no peace in the village. There's no peace. Huh? Why will we not smoke? You know that there is no peace in the village. What do you want us to do? Yeah. Look at your heads. You are talking of peace. Are you not mad? Mad. This is the heads of mad people. The village is burning. And everybody is looking for solutions. You are here smoking hemp. You can see? Nah, they are mad. Nah. The elders of this village are supposed to be the one that we go. Understand? Wow. That's why the elders. Why we ourselves will have our issue. Wow. You see, these are the people. The only good thing you do, the only thing you know how to do is to impregnate girls, raping them. Oh, yeah. Eh? Oh, yeah. Now, stealing. Is there any other thing? Now, do you mean that we are on our own? Are we not on our own? On our own. No. So somebody cannot even have peace in this community. Good for nothing. Your parents, what are they getting for you? But let me tell you, I have seen the problem, the cause of the problems in this village. Are we problems? So I will tell you people. We will see after it. Yes, we will see. I will make sure this kind of people will not fail. But don't you think of it? Somebody will not have it in this community. Huh?
What is holding my husband now? Let him come down so that this girl will not die now. Oh God, help me, oh. So that my daughter will not die, oh. God, help me, oh. Now you come now. Oh, what's holding my husband now? Oh God. Don't allow my daughter to die, oh, please, oh God. Let my daughter go me, oh God. Oh, that is Chinelo. What's holding you now? Oh, God. Ada. Nani, I'm back.
I'm back.
Welcome, oh.
Yes.
Welcome.
Yes, I'm back.
And did you succeed?
I succeeded. I see Opika, he told me that everything is okay. He gave us some chance here. And they say that the other time that we are going to use it on the right hand on the left leg, the other one on the right hand. And we should not let anybody to know that it's a child in this house. It's only two of us. So you have to be very careful. You know you are part of. This your man. You see this your man. You see this your man. You see this your man.
No, no say anything.
Okay, let's go.
Chima, where are you going with your bag? Man, as you see me like this in our car, I want to enter my grandma village. I'm tired of this place. I know as an orphan like me, I have no father, no mother, no brother, no sister, no girlfriend. Wait. Where is this conversation heading? I'm not understanding. Where are you? Look at me now. Look at me. What am I doing here? I've been here all my life and nothing is working out. I need to get myself a better place. At least go for greener pasture. I know that a living dog is better than a dead lion, so I need to go. Chima. No, what? Just don't bother. I will call you when I get there. Just take care of yourself. I need to go now. Just calm down. I will call you when I just calm down. I will call you. Just don't worry about me. I'm going to find a better life.
Man, my best friend is leaving the village and everything is not going well at all. Ha! I have to leave this village too because there is nothing left here for me. Things in my girlfriend are crashing. Now my best friend is leaving. I must leave this village.
It's me. Hey.
Amanda. Give them all of that.
What's this now I'm hearing, man? Don't go see me. What really happened? Just give me a can water.
Nemo, my friend. It just that I was in my sister's house, Antonia. So during my daughter Ujunwa, she came in. She told me that my daughter Chinelo was vomiting blood. My friend, I see you too.
My own Chinelo. Chinelo Nkemo. Who's ever that do this, eh? Chuga or Ryoko. Hey, but I dark my friend. Eh? You could have sent for me now. Eh? It's our friends for. You know I'm always there for you.
Akane ekukwe nke ahụ nwa m nwaanyị ada na gbawa ọbara obi eluro mana biko iwe we na gị biko iwe we na.
No, not at all. Just not against you, Sha. Just that I was a bit worried, you know. But so what? How is she now?
She's getting better. Her father Her father went to Dikeh, and Dikeh gave him some herbs and charm. And I've been using it for her. She's getting better now. She's progressing.
Hey! And the gods of our land. Yeah, so that means Utika now healed her. I'm so happy. Then the gods, No problem. Let me be going, Take care of her for me. Don't worry, I'm going to our neighboring village to see my friend.
Just stay small.
I'm going to, just take care of her, So now, Tika, you're not challenging me in this village, me Amanda. I get me. We shall see. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Sister Linda. Hello. Yes, Sister Linda. Please, I want to see you in my office on Sunday. See, I really want to see you after service. Yes, it's very important. I have a revelation. Yes. Thank you, Jesus. That means there must be an evil bird that is disturbing his at Sister Linda's village. Thank you, Jesus. My sister. That's me. You are welcome to my home.
Antonia, your home is not poor. Rather, it's beautiful and rich. Remember you once touched money. Don't worry.
I'm happy to hear this.
Manage this to go. I have to run along. Okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you for what you gave to my sister, Adago. We are so grateful. Thank you so much.
Antonia, I have to take my leave now.
Thank you.
Somto, look at you. You are not a full-grown man, no. You are welcome.
Yeah, okay, man. Thank you.
Somto, where have you been?
Mama,
I've been looking for you.
Mama, I'm sorry. There is no food in this house, except the little one I gave you in the morning. So I decided to go out and do some mini jobs and sell some of our firewood, so at least to get something to eat this night.
Somto,
Ma,
you know you are my only son.
I'm sorry, man.
I don't want to lose you.
Ichi Anayo. Ichi.
Hey! You know, I was taking care of my goods. You can hear them busy. This morning you to my house. This morning. Everyone was Odamakolo.
Odabacha.
Eh?
Yes, I went to Tika's house to ask him at the eye of the gods of the land. Otika, okete pom pom. Otika, into chirigi. Otika, ena hosuso. Otika, obwadarage. Tell me what the God says, because you are the act of the gods of this land. Tell me what the God said. Otika did not say anything. Then the gods did not say anything. So I say, okay. Our people say that now I go for you na bueke, so that I should come and give you this information so that you will be a witness to this case.
Witness?
Yes.
But you remember that Ndoka and I came to your house to alert you of the dangers that is happening in this community, asking you how to solve this problem. After explaining the whole thing to you, that should we fold our hand and see this community go this way, you asked us to go, leave your house. You told us that we are mad. You asked us that we didn't know what we were talking. Well, it's well. We were suspecting that you and Otika you have hands.
What?
You have hands.
Do you know what you are talking about?
I know better than you. Because you don't actually understand what is going on.
What is going on?
You leave my house.
You are asking me to go. There is no problem.
Go. Go. As for us, I know what we do. We will take care of this matter. You know, I told you I was busy.
No, Iche. If you can do that, you can take care of that. The ball is in your cup.
Go.
No problem. Hey, Abache Bolan.
Ogogoro, now you person. Don't bring me concern. It's just the fact that I am drinking, but I am not high. Ichi, oh man, are you going? Ichi, come. I know very soon all you evil men in this community will soon die. And when you die, I will soon become the Igbo of this community.
Now you're talking. What is that your name? Be careful how you drink this. This is not our kaikayo. This is not our job. If you take this thing too much, it can kill you. You hear? Be careful. Don't take because your brother came back from Panya and brought this thing to you and you kill yourself with it. I'm just warning you because...
Now, Iche, before you go, this is not like the regular kaikai you people stay at the backyard and drink.
It's true.
The ingredient used in making this is very, very strong and thick.
I'm aware of that because let me tell you, this is chemical. It's not a drink at all. This is chemical because I know you are not good for anything, only drinking and be dancing along the road. Well, be careful. Okay, boogie. Okay, boogie.
I have told you, I will soon become the Igbo of this.
You are welcome.
Community. And by that time, you would have been dead.
You are dreaming for it. You are welcome. That will not be my headache. When you become Igwe, I will know the people who will be your kingdom. Nonsense.
Good day, Pastor.
Good day, Sister Linda.
Pastor, you called me earlier. I was unable to attend Sunday service. That's why I came over to the house to see you.
Yes, Sister Linda.
Pastor.
You know, the reason why I called you to come over to my office on Sunday after service was because the Lord revealed a very mighty revelation. And this revelation was all about a very mighty bed.
Pastor, did you see a very big bed?
Yes. Sister Linda, this bed I'm talking about was very huge, that to the extent that it appears to be an evil attack that strike in your village. This evil bed was very dangerous that even the youths, the elders, the children was running helter-skelter. And I tried to save your family, but I wasn't able to.
Pastor, this was the same bed that attacked us in the village. That's why I came back from the village earlier on than the way I spoke.
Oh, Sister Linda, you mean that was the reason you left your village and you came back and told me that?
I kept silent because I do not know how to say it.
You kept silent because you do not know how to say it. You mean all these things have been going on in your village and you refuse to let me know all this while?
Yes, Pastor.
Oh my God. But it's very, very dangerous to our Christianity life. Okay. Do you know what? The book of the Bible, Matthew chapter 24, from verse 6, made us to know that the enemy will fight. There shall be battle going on from the left, from the side.
Mama.
So John, my son.
Welcome.
Are you not through this breaking up?
Mama, you don't believe what happened today. On my way coming back, I saw Auntie Amanda. We greeted. Few minutes later, she started screaming, "Hey wo, hey wo." I ran back to help her. She said I should not touch her. Immediately, Onu came across and started saying funny things that I don't understand.
My son, the gods know what they are doing. Please, prepare something for me to eat.
Okay.
I am tired.
I will be with you now. Hey.
Let me go through this file. I'm coming. I will be right back.
What is happening? What is wrong with me? Am I becoming powerless or something else? So Gechi, I tried to defeat her a few days ago, but I couldn't. You understand? I thought that I've silenced her spirit forever. Just show up from nowhere and slapped me. What is going on?
You have eyes, but you cannot see. You have ears, but you cannot hear. When last did you seek the face of Abadiama? Abadiama spared you because of your past record. Your vow is due, yet you refuse to redeem them. Redeem your vow in the next mission, or else you will have yourself to blame.
Okay, mother, I'll do just that. I will do that.
take care of your aunt, okay? Babe, I'm so sorry it happened like this, but I have to go to the city and establish something for us so we can have a brighter future. Please, take care of yourself for me.
Obi, you know you are the only person I have in this whole wide world. And please, when you get to the city, don't forget me.
I will never do that. Okay?
Because if you do, I will kill myself.
Don't talk like that. I'm never going to forget you, okay? Take care of yourself.
My sister, you know what is happening in this village? I want you to come with me to the city.
The city, Sister, you have a good idea. But I have a problem. That problem is my husband. I don't think he will allow me to follow you to the city.
You can come with your husband to the city. And if he refuses, leave him alone. I can't lose you now.
My sister, nothing is important than that. I have heard you.
Okay, my sister. Please take care of yourself. Okay, I'm going.
See on another faces. We should do what we are supposed to do as humans.
Yes.
And let the gods do their own.
That is true.
Every time the gods are silent. Every time the gods are silent.
For 1 month now.
We have not die here. They should tell us what to give them so that they start talking. Let us go. Let us take that step. Let's go. Let's go.
How would I know? The Queen Mother accepted my sacrifice.
Mother.
Your sacrifice has been accepted. Go and possess your possession. No power shall stop you. Go and possess your possession.
Thank you, now, Ogechi and the rest of them in this village, they will now see me with full action. Hey! Hey, what? I got done now. Yeah, because I didn't know you. But I don't know. I got the great goddess of our land. I call upon you. You never stop and answer them. Come and answer us now. There is time. Come! Come!
The evil bird is about to destroy my people. And I'm here to satisfy you for the war ahead.
Thank you, the gods of our land. I got a very good. I'm walking the bookie, that's one. Kitty got the kilo, the Nanya Fulugo, now you look. What the lad?
I'm giving you a chance. Spare me. No, spare my life. Now, go! Spare my life. I'll get it. I'll get that trigger.
Matanayo. Matanayo. Nani. Nanayo. Nanayo. Masi. Masi. Nani. Nanayo. Nanayo. Matanayo.
Wait. This is why you are running. Wait. This is why you are running like this early morning. What's the problem?
You are here. So can I say we drink? Why was that rice lying like that place? Yeah?
Mazi who? Mazi who?
Excuse me, let me pass.
Okay, sir. Wait. Mazi Anayo is finally dead. I told him that he would die, but he was joking with me. That I will soon become the king of this community. My prophecy is coming to pass. Okota, is that the reason you are running? You should be rejoicing that Mazi Anayo is dead because I will become the king. I'll make him my prime minister.
Nkiru. Nkiru. Nkiru.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Hey. Why are you just smiling and talking to yourself all alone?
Don't tell me you are in deep thoughts because of Afam. Here.
Anyway, I wanted you to rush down to the market and get us some soup items to cook.
Okay, Auntie.
And I don't expect you to be thinking about Afam now. It's fine wherever he is. And he's going to come back to you. Hey, Aralo. Okay, good madu.
Are you mad?
Please forgive me.
I say, are you mad? No. Why should you start from outside there? So you started shouting my name. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Am I your mate?
Oh no, please.
Am I your mate?
No.
No, please. What is your problem? Are you mad?
Please forgive me, you're not my mate.
Forgive you for what?
No.
Forgive you for what?
A few hours ago, I was in my house when Mazi Anayo came to my house, persuaded me to go to Mumbala village.
Who Mazi?
Mazi Anayo.
Okay, Ichi Anayo.
To go came to my house and persuaded me that we should go to Mumbala village to look for solution to the problem of this community. I followed him. Oh no, we believe it on our way. The gods of the land appeared and struck Mazi Anayo.
Wait, I don't understand you. What are you telling me? What is happening? What happened to Anayo?
Oh no, Mazi Anayo is dead. As I'm talking to you, he's lying.
You are telling me that, mother. Come, Anima. Idiot. I said come now. Come. Anima. Good. You come to tell me that Anayo is dead. Why not you yourself die? See, listen to me. Very soon now you are going to die. You are going to die. Remember, you are going to die. The gods of Allah is going to struck you to death, and the maggot will eat you. Foolish man. Nonsense. Look at. Let me go and see my wife. Thunder, fire you there. You animal. Look at. Hey, Ada, Woman, hey, where do you think that you are going? Yeah? Where are you going with all these lovings? Yeah?
Obi, as you can see.
See what?
I am leaving to the city.
Which city? Where do you know in the city that you are going? Tell me, Adak. Tell me, where do you know in the city?
Me and my children.
Which children?
With my sister children, Antonia. We are traveling to the city.
For what?
So you did not see all this calamity falling in?
Which calamity? Instead of you to tell me that you are trying to go to the city to be a harlot, where do you know in the city? Yeah? See, woman.
I don't want all this miserable death in this village to fall upon me and my children, with my sister children.
Look at this woman. Hey, woman, listen to me. Hey.
I want that.
Oh,
no, leave me. Nah, leave me. I'm not going to. Nah, leave me. Leave me. I'm not going to. Nah, leave me. I'm not going to. Nah, leave me. Leave me. Nah, leave me.
Come on, go. Let me know that you are going. My people see you.
Nah, leave me now.
What is my now? Look at this woman. I know where you want to go. So she do. So leave me.
Didn't I warn you the last time? It's not on me that you want to do it. I warned you that you stay apart from my generation. But you didn't hear. Today is the end of the road for you. They have just dealt the anger in me. I will destroy everything, everyone in this kingdom, including you. I will show you. I'm not afraid of you. Woman! What have you come here to do? Go back home! This fight is not fight for me. Go!
I know I am a woman, but the God sent me to assist you. Look, it has transformed to a crocodile.
I had to go to Dikeh and nobody just crossed my internet which I go score play. Woman! Go back home. Hamadiama, come and help me! Hamadiama, your daughter needs you now! Come and help me! This is just the beginning. I will continue my mission.
Thank you, my Lord. We are saying thank you, Jesus. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Sister Lida, the Lord is going to do a mighty thing today.
Amen.
Heaven has opened. Heaven has opened. Heaven has opened. Any bandage, any chain, any plan of the enemy that is rovering around your family, around your community, in your village, in the name of Jesus, let's begin to cast them now. Let's begin to cast and bind them now. In Jesus' name we pray. Let's hold our hands together. Oh, anywhere my road to see me, anywhere my road to see me, anywhere my road to see me. This is a gem prayer. Any power that is against your father's house, any power that is against your mother's house, in the name of Jesus, let begin to cast them now.
Yeah, I'm going to be coming back by next week. Yes. My sister is leaving by this time. Any evil bed rubbing in my village, any evil bed wanting against my death, any evil bed that is against my life, in my village, in my mother's land, in my father's land, let them die now, let them die now. In the mighty name of Jesus. Sister Angela, we are going to pray now. Any satanic power, any evil village, any evil bed that is fighting, that is being a bondage to the happiness of your community, to the happiness of your village, in the name of Jesus, we come against it now. Let's begin to bind it now. Begin to bind it now. And use it as a point of contact. Anywhere the enemy attacking your village, because of you are the lineage of that village, I use it as a point of contact. Let your power destroy now. Let your power destroy now.
I will confess. Yes, I will confess. I have confessed. Confession. Confess, yes. Yes, Obi. I will confess. If it's too much, Obi. You know, after our mother died, I made a promise that in the next 52 hours, I'm confessing now, I'm confessing that I'll bring the whole villages. Yes, I'm the evil bird. Yes, I'm the evil bird. What? Yes. Yes, I'm sorry. It's too much. Okay, I'm confessing now. Okay, yes. It's me. Yes, it's me. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
In Jesus' name I pray. You are healed. Your village is free. Amen. Your family is free.
Amen.
Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Lord.
Get away from me.
Thank you, Lord. Bless your holy name. Thank you, Jesus, because Lord.